So here is the question. Find the square roots of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. Two numbers we have. So first one which we'll take is 100. Okay. 100 minus 1. The first odd number we are subtracting, that is 1. Okay. And so we get what? 99. Then we go for the next 99 minus 3. What will we get? What are we going to get? It's going to be 96. That 96 minus 5. Next odd number, 96 minus 5 will give you 91. Then we go for 91 minus next one is 7. 84. Then we move on for 84 minus next number, next odd number is going to be 9. That will give you 75. Okay. Move on to the next one. 75 minus 11. What will you get? You will get 64. Then 64 minus 13 will give you 51. 51 minus 15 will give you 36. 51 minus 15 is equal to 36. Then 36 minus next odd number 17 will give you 19. And then 19 minus 19 will give you 0. So here we end up, we got 0. So we'll stop subtracting. And how many odd numbers we have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So square root of 100 is 10. And symbolically we write like this. This is the symbol of square root. We write 100 under this, and so answer is 10. We will write like this. Follow this. I am not going to write like this ever. Okay? This I am not going to do. I will be always writing like this. When I am asked to find out the square root, I will symbolically write, I will put the symbol of square root, and then the number whose square root I have to find, I will write under it, and then is equal to, I will write the final answer, square root of the given number. So square root of 100 is equal to 10. Similarly, we can go for 169. Now next number is find out square root of 169. Right? So what will we do? Subtract 1. 168. Like that you have to move. 168 minus 3. 165. 165 minus 5 will give you 160. Okay. 160 minus 7 gives you 153. 153 minus 9 will give you 144. 144 minus 11 will give you 133. Then 133 minus 13 will give you 120. See, if I make a single mistake in subtraction, then I won't get the required answer. Last, in the end, you will never get this type of number where you get 0. So very carefully you have to do it, and not necessary that I cannot make mistake. I may make mistake. And let's see, I have just started the journey, and let me check whether I am correct or not. We have 120, and next odd number is 15. So it's going to be 105. 105. Then 105 minus 17. We get 88. Then 88 minus 19 gives you 69. 69 minus 21 will give you 48. 48 minus 23 will give you 25. Then 25 minus 25 will give you 0. Okay. So here we go, 69 minus 21, 48, 48 minus 23, 25, and 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. And if you check the number of odd numbers, it's going to be 13. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. How many odd numbers? 13 odd numbers. So square root of 169 is going to be 13. Is that clear? So obtain the square root of 169 by the repeated subtraction method. Now we go for the fourth question, where you have to find out the square root using prime factorization. Okay, I am not writing the question statement, I am just directly writing the number which is given, 729. Now what we are going to do is, we will factorize this. 729. See, you have to use the divisibility test to check which prime number you are going to take in this first. And see, I would tell you again and again, not necessary. अगर बड़ा प्राइम नंबर आप पहले लेते हो, फिर ऐसा नहीं है कि आप छोटे प्राइम नंबर को बाद में नहीं ले सकते. You can take prime factor, smaller prime factor afterwards. I don't feel that it's necessary that you have to start with the smaller prime factor. Okay, what I feel, I'm telling you. So now it's not divisible by 2 because last digit is 9. Let's check. 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. It's multiple of 3, so it is divisible by 3. So we take the next prime factor. After 2 is 3. You will divide and check. I can do it orally. You have to work out, you have to do the rough work like this. Towards the right hand side corner, margin 729 divided by 3 you do, 3 2s are 6, so I had written 2 and I verbally subtracted, orally subtracted. I knew on subtracting I will get 12, so I took 3 4s are 12. And then here 0 0 bring down 9, we know 3 3s are 9. So I had orally written subtraction and all, I did it orally and did the division. Now again you can see this is divisible by 3. The nice thing about this factorization is whichever prime factor you are going to take, that's going to come in pair. If it doesn't come in pair, if it is standing alone, that means somewhere you have made mistake while dividing. 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. 3 goes here, 27s are, 3 goes here, 9s are, 3 3s are and 3 1s are. That's, you have got all the factors till you don't get 1 in the remainder, you have to continue. Now you can pair it over here only. 1 pair, this is second pair and this is third pair. So how will I write? I am going to write like this. Square root of 729 is equal to, I can write it directly. I have just paired it, so I can directly, out of this 2 pair, I will take 1. From here I will take 1 and from here the third pair I'll take 1. You just count how many pairs. 1 2 3. 3 pairs of 3. So 1 2 3 and no more factors are left. So now you multiply and write down 3 3s are 9 3s are 27. So square root of 729 is equal to 27 is going to be the answer. If you multiply 27 with 27, you will get 729. वो आप चेक कर सकते हो. 27 को 27 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना, 729 आपको मिल जाएगा. And while factorizing, if you find that any of the prime factor is left out unpaired, that means somewhere you have made mistake and you have to carry out the factorization or division again till you don't get the pair. Okay, so this is how you have to solve or get the square root of the given number by prime factorization. PDF you will get very soon and try to solve. Till then you can try the sums on your own and I assure you, you will enjoy doing it. From this exercise, we are not going to do all the sums. 1 or 2 questions we will solve and then we will switch on to the next method, finding out square root by division method, and then finally estimation method, estimating the square root of the given number, and finally I will just give you a hint or I will teach you the method which you will already learn before, that is by the division method. पहले आप डिवीज़न मेथड यूज़ करके सिंपल स्क्वायर्स के स्क्वायर रूट निकालोगे, फिर बाद में लास्ट में जो स्क्वायर रूट आप निकालोगे वो नंबर होगा डेसिमल नंबर. यू विल फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ डेसिमल नंबर्स using division method. So 3 more methods are going to come up, and for that you have to wait for the next video. Till then, goodbye.